This one, this diagram. Okay. Is it the same thing? This one. Yes. What happens here? So this is the facial nerve. How the facial nerve comes? The facial nerve comes from the skull and then goes and comes here and in the parotid gland. What is this? This is the parotid gland. So behind the parotid gland, it gives 5 branches. So what are the 5 branches? How to remember? Like this. Keep your
Head.
finger or your palm on your face like this. So what is this? This is temporal nerve. And then what is this? Zygomatic. So because zygomatic bone. And these two are
Buccinator or
buccal. Buccal nerve. Okay? Upper buccal and lower buccal. So this is buccal. And then mandibular. And then cervical. Cervical means neck. Okay? You got it? So one is temporal, zygomatic, buccal, mandibular, cervical. Keep your finger like this. Temporal, zygomatic, buccal and mandible. So buccal means keep one finger on the mouth, one finger on the mandible and one finger in the
Cervical.
neck.
Got it.
Easy to remember. Okay? So these are it is very important. 5 branches of the facial nerve. In the deep sleep, if you wake up, keep your finger taka 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 taka.
And come in the exam.
Yes.
Yeah.
So here you remember. So you should remember. Name the facial artery. So all the muscles of the face, they are supplied by branches of the facial artery. This facial artery, it is a main branch coming from external carotid artery. And then rest of the thing you leave it and you should remember all the names of branches. So there are 6 branches.
Yes. Know about the 4th lines and other's name.
Facial artery, branch from external carotid artery and the branches of facial artery. What are the branches of the facial artery? All these 6 names. Infraorbital, superior labial, inferior labial, superior labial, lateral, nasal, angular, all these nerves. All 6 arteries. Inferior labial, superior labial. Everything, the description is there in front. The supplying the lower lip, labial lip, upper labial, superior labial. Okay? And then supratrochlear, supraorbital, infraorbital and mental artery.
Where is this mental artery? Here.
Yeah, in the mental foramen.
Okay. سددت.
Okay? So these are the branches. Now what happens? So there are veins. There are 6 in 2 slides. The numbers are different here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, it started from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes.
Okay. So remember all these branches, and then the veins. So now, what happens to the veins here? Most of these veins, So these veins, what will happen here? All the veins, they are coming.
تخيل يطيح.
So what happens here? The veins, so here they will come down. Arteries, they will go up. Veins, they will come down. Here what happens? Supraorbital and supratrochlear.
Trochlear wall.
Supra, so these two veins, they will come, they join here. Yes, always in the whole body. Always the blood in the arteries, it will go up. Okay, blood in the vein down. Okay, so what happens here? So these two, supraorbital and supratrochlear, they forms anterior facial vein. This, they join here. These two, they join and facial vein. Same like, what is this? Superficial temporal vein and maxillary vein. So what is, where is here? Temporal and maxillary. They join to form retromandibular vein. So what we'll ask? So how the anterior facial nerve is vein is formed, or supraorbital or supratrochlear vein, they join to form which vein? What is the name of that vein? Like that. Okay? Here. Supraorbital and supratrochlear. Yeah, you enlarge the diagram.
فستان مو جراب. فستان.
Okay? Then what happens?
حط على المحاي عشان كيف بعدين.
So then what happens? There is one more vein is formed. So what is that vein? Retromandibular vein. This retromandibular vein divides into anterior and posterior. This anterior and posterior, so it is out of this. You see, this diagram is very easy. This diagram is very easy to understand. How? Superficial temporal vein and maxillary vein. So this here and here, these two join retromandibular vein. Okay, and then this retromandibular vein divides into two branches. The posterior division, it forms the jugular vein, and the anterior division, it forms internal jugular vein. Okay, so remember these lymph nodes, the lymph nodes supplying the face, lymphatic drainage of face and skull. So what they are? So all these lymph nodes of the occipital region, mastoid region, and parotid, submandibular and submental. Submandibular below the mandible. Okay? Yes. And then here this lymphatic drainage is also divided into according to their area of supply. Okay? So what is that area? What is the area of supply? So where they are? Cranial part of the lower lip and chin. The lip and the chin. So it is supplied by which? Lymph nodes. And then the lateral part of the face. This part of the face is supplied by which? Lymph nodes. And then forehead and anterior part. This is the forehead and this is the anterior part of the face. These are supplied by which? Lymph nodes. Remember all these group of lymph nodes. Okay? Then so what is the dangerous area? What is this? What is this? This is the dangerous area of the face. So which part? From the nose and the upper lip. Only the upper lip, not the lower lip. Because all these are interconnected with cavernous sinus. So there is one more sinus inside the skull. Inside the skull, there you have a cavernous sinus. So this cavernous sinus, it is very important structure which is having connection to all the nerves. All the areas of the skull. Okay? Any infection in the nose or eye, it affects the whole face. Yeah. Okay?
خلاص. Finish.